Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to list all users on the system. I'm using Linux system, and maybe also using the same thing or using a different flavor of Linux. We're gonna see this in a two-way. We're going to use a GUI, or we're going to use a command prompt, whereby we're going to type in the command to list all the users we have on the system. So we're going to we're going to do what to use those two kind of strategies. So it depends which one you're gonna like or which one you prefer the best for you. So if you're a guy who doesn't like typing, you're gonna just make just simple clicks, and also it's necessary if you are root. Also you become root if you want to do that. I don't say that it won't work without having a root privileges, but it's better when you root. Okay, let's bump into our video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you do anything. So you can do two things. You can click on where you have to navigate to your files here, then you click on other location, then click on computer, then in computer there you look for the file called etc. So when you're in etc, you're gonna scroll down. You can search here a file called passwd. So but I don't want to do that. All what I need to do is I want to navigate until when we go to P, the P letter. That's when we're gonna find passwd. That file, that's the file holds our users. So you can see the files here, and since we are root, we can be able to edit it or to open it and do whatever you want to do on this file. You can see the first user is called root, which is me. That's my account. And these are some of things used by the program itself, by this operating system itself, these users. And I don't want anybody to tamper with this unless if you know what you're doing. So what we do, we're gonna scroll down and I show you the users I created before. I created this user called MUSA, also I created PHP main. These two users, it's me created them, so I have their username and passwords. I can look to these into these accounts anytime. So they don't have root privileges. I just created them for some reasons, even for some to learn like the way we're doing here. Okay guys, I think that's so simple to check how many users are here you're using, but also we have a different way of doing this by using your command prompt. So I guess you won't forget that you have to navigate to that. Only those are clicks, and you in there, you just click on your location, then click on computer, then look for folder called etc. You click there, you scroll down and look for P, then you look for a file called passwd. Here's the file now. You can edit it or you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so since we're done with that, so we're gonna go to the next level of checkup. So to check, also using your command prompt, open your terminal, and once you on terminal, I'm sudo already, so you can become sudo if you want to, or you sudo to be root. So I won't do that because I'm root already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say cut etc, that folder, then we cut this file called passwd. So when you cut that file and say enter, you can see the file displays everything here. So you can see the file I told you about, the folder I told you about, the name called PHP main. This is one of the user, and also this user called MUSA. Other users, you know, as I told you, you can go and Google on some of them for emails, whatever, something like that. But so whatever you didn't put in there, please don't do delete or edit, even if you have those privileges as root. So you can scroll up here, then you can see the root the root account for the root user. This is on top of everything. This is the account which creates other accounts and also gives privileges to other accounts, unless if you give one person you create the same privileges, then he can be able to also create accounts and give them privileges. You can do whatever you do. So that's why they warn you when you're going to give privileges to some other accounts. Guys, I think this tutorial we should end it here. And if it's so helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, also share it on Facebook, Twitter, and all platforms you can share this video. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.